It's a common cycle. Those symptoms appear and we reach for the bottle to manage them. And it doesn't matter if it's a bill that's going to be paid late or it's physical withdrawal symptoms. All roads lead to poison.
You can't solve the problem with the problem.
But what if I told you there are infinite ways to manage your symptoms without reaching for alcohol? No, I'm not talking about going to therapy and healing all your trauma. Definitely not talking about medication either. And I'm definitely not telling you to pretend that they don't exist. And it's all about prevention, not just management. 95% of us feel like we're surviving this world, surviving in sobriety, instead of thriving in this world and thriving in recovery. Recovery isn't just for people struggling with alcohol or addictions. Recovery is for everybody. There's thoughts, there's feelings, there's actions, there's emotions that you definitely want to recover from, because those things aren't helping us move forward or feel very good, are they? Personal growth isn't about finding a quick fix or an easy way out. It's about making long-term shifts that actually improve your mental and physical health.
Better you feel, the better you do.
So instead of reaching for the bottle anytime a symptom appears, why don't we just prevent them from happening? Let's take stress, for example. Alcohol might provide you temporary relief, but what if you worked on yourself so well that the stress didn't overwhelm you in the first place? You would literally have no reason to reach for a poison. Sobriety doesn't guarantee personal growth, but recovery does. Taking care of yourself ultimately leads to healthy coping mechanisms, kick-ass stress management techniques.
Meditate for an hour a day.
And in time, you develop healthier habits to help you prevent all that stress from happening. Unfortunately, it's easier to reach for a bottle and pretend that none of this stuff matters. And that's why we practice. I'm an ex-alcoholic, and I haven't consumed alcohol in over 6 years. And I've learned that it's all about taking control of your life, navigating your emotions, and being proactive instead of reactive. If you continue reacting to all this stuff you don't prefer, you're always going to have a reason to drink. The next time you're tempted to manage your symptoms with alcohol, ask yourself this question: what can I do to prevent this entire situation from happening? Is it what's happening, or is it how I feel about what's happening? So my question to you is, what steps are you going to start taking towards personal growth?
If you've watched this video, you've already taken the first step.